Another reason Jordan should not be ignored is the success of Asian team at this World Cup. South Korea defeated Czechia. Australia beat Turkey and Japan earned a draw against Netherlands. These results show that gap between continents is becoming smaller. Jordan will use these examples as a motivation and believe that they can also surprise European opponents. When we compare these two based on ranking and squad value, Austria clearly have the advantage. Austria are ranked about 24th in the World Cup, while Jordan are around 63. This ranking difference reflects the higher quality and greater experience within Austrian squad. Austria also have more players competing in Europe's strongest leagues. On paper, Austria are the stronger team in almost in every area. Let's compare the likely tactical battle. Austria will probably dominate possession from the beginning. They will try to push Jordan back into their own half and create chances through quick passing combination. Jordan are expected to defend with many players behind the ball and wait for counter-attacking opportunities. Their goal will be to frustrate Austria, stay organized and look for mistakes. If Jordan can keep score a level for the long time, pressure could start building on Austria. One key area will be midfield. Austria have more technical quality and experience in this part of the field. If they control the midfield, Jordan may spend most of the match defending. Austria's ability to win second balls and press aggressively could stop Jordan from building attacks. On the other hand, if Jordan can survive the pressure and launch quick counterattacks through AI Al-Tamari, they may create dangerous moments in the match. Another important factor is experience. Austria have participated in previous World Cups and major European tournaments. Many of their players have played against world-class opponents. Jordan are entering in complete new territory. The atmosphere, pressure and attention of the World Cup can affect players differently. Sometimes debut teams play fearlessly, but sometimes nerves make it difficult to perform at their best at higher level. Austria's experience could be a major advantage, especially if the match becomes tense. Looking at the recent opinions from analysts and football experts, most predictions favor Austria. Many previews expect Austria to win by at least 1 or 2 goals because of their superior squad depth, organization and attacking quality. Some analysts predict a 3-1 victory, while betting markets also strongly favor Austria. But football is never played on paper. Jordan have already showed that they deserve to be here. They have nothing to lose and everything to gain. The longer they stay in the game, the more confident they will be. If they score first, the pressure on Austria could increase dramatically. That's why coach Rangnick has repeatedly warned his team not to underestimate their opponent. So that my prediction for the match. I believe Austria will start strongly and control most of the game. Jordan will defend bravely and create a few chances on the counter-attack. But Austria's overall quality should eventually make the difference. Austria have more experience, a stronger midfield and more attacking options. Jordan will compete hard, but over 90 minutes, Austria should have enough quality to secure the victory. My expected result is Austria 2, Jordan 0. I think Austria will score once in the first half and once in the second half. Jordan will make it difficult for them, but Austria should collect all 3 points and put themselves in a strong position for the rest of the Group J. A surprise result is possible because this World Cup has already produced unexpected outcomes. But Austria remain the clear favorite heading into this match. Final prediction: Austria win. Predicted score: Austria 2, Jordan 0. Man of the match prediction is a Sabitzer. Expected possession: Austria around 60 to 65%. Austria around, according to the Jordan, around 35 to 40%. Austria should take an important first step toward the knockout round, while Jordan will hope to earn respect and possibly create a history in the match ahead. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this World Cup preview, don't forget to like a video, subscribe to our channel, and share your own prediction in the comments below. Do you think Austria will win comfortably? Or can Jordan produce a famous upset? Let us know. See you in the next video. Tata, bye bye.